Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can start the fast mapping in your robot vacuum MOVA P50 Ultra. So in the first step, click on the enter to open the robot. Wait to plugin download. And now just click on the start fast mapping. Okay. Click on the start fast mapping. I have a low battery, so I have to wait, but don't worry, if you have a more battery than me, you can just start by this button. If you already have any map, you can also remove it and start fast mapping once again. If you're curious how to delete the map, just check our other video on the channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.